All right, fellas. So spades, blackjack.
Let's go blackjack.
Let's go spades.
Bro, we played spades last week.
Nah, we go blackjack.
All right,
Let's go blackjack.
Hey, but speaking of last week, you told me that we were going to talk about how Mansa Musa got all his wealth.
Oh yeah, I got you. So the empire he inherited, the Mali Empire, was vast with resources, but especially gold. And actually, during his reign, produced 50% of the world's gold at the time. So they were able to build strong trade networks and expand their empire and their realm of influence.
Okay.
But what did he do with all his wealth?
So he was able to build libraries, schools, and mosques, but also build the world's first university known as the Timbuktu Center of Learning. He also spent some of his wealth on the poor to help uplift their social mobility, and because he really felt wealth wasn't good if you're not using it to help uplift others.
I love that. I've heard about Mansa Musa, but I've never really heard too much about the Mali Empire. What happened after?
We'll get into that in the next video. My name is Isaiah Duke, and this has been Black Studies Next.